Good morning. This is part 2 for Monday's language, working with the dictionary. So, dictionaries are used for many different things, and the dictionary can tell us a lot of things about words. So, I have a sample page pulled up here in the dictionary. So, one thing that a dictionary can tell us is the part of speech. Entry words are in alphabetical order. So, when you find an entry word, these bold black words, you will also find what part of speech it is. It could be a noun, verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, or another kind of word. So if we look here, path is a noun. Pathetic is an adjective. Patience is a noun, and so on. You can go down and see what each word is. Here's a verb. Patrol is a verb. Okay, sometimes a word can be more than one type of word. Another thing that it will tell you is it can tell you how to pronounce a word. You will see some special marks on words. For example, if you take a look at path, you will see that it's marked, the A is marked with that smile like you learned how to mark words. Okay, so, and then we have patient, okay, so you can see that the A has a stick over top to say that it's a long A. So you'll see some marks on the words that will help you to pronounce how to say that word. For example, this word here, it doesn't quite follow phonics rules. So if we look at how it's pronounced, we have pat, E-O. Patio. Okay, so some of you may have a patio in your backyard, maybe coming off of a deck or something like that. Another thing that it will tell you is the definition. You'll get to see what the word means. Some words mean more than one thing. If a word means more than one thing, then the dictionary will give you each meaning, and these meanings are called definitions. So let's see. Here, let's do... pattern has a lot. Okay, so pattern has 3 definitions. The first definition is the way in which shapes and colors are arranged, and then it gives you it used in a sentence as an example. The second definition, a guide or model for something to be made. Third definition, a combination of events or qualities that always happen the same way or in the same order. Many birds follow a pattern of flying south in the winter. So it can mean more than one thing. So on page 168, you have a sample page out of a dictionary. So I want you to go ahead and take a look at page 168. I'm going to get it out here, see if we can get it set up so that it's clear. Okay, so I'm just going to ask some questions that have to do with this page. This looks a little blurry. Okay, so what word comes right after shine? So you would come down and you would find the word shine. What word comes after shine? Shingle. How are the vowels marked in shin? So you'll find the word shin. Then if you look right next to it in parentheses, you can see that the vowels are marked short. It's marked with a smile. Okay, so it says, what is the last entry on the page? So you want to look for the very last... Oh, can't get my camera to stop being blurry. There we go. Okay, so the very last word on the page here is ship, so it's a suffix. Okay, then it gives you a little vocabulary builder down there at the bottom. Then it asks, what is a shingle? So you have to find the word shingle, find the definition. Now these are just questions that I'm asking you. If we were in school, we would have worked on this page together. So that's kind of why we have the video. There's nothing for you to write down or to do. We're just walking through it, learning how to use a dictionary. So shingle, a thin piece of wood, asphalt, or other material that is laid in overlapping rows to cover the roof or outside walls of a building. Okay. Does the picture of shingles help you understand the word. So here, and a lot of times dictionaries will have this, especially children's dictionaries, it will show you pictures. So here it shows the shingles that are on top of the roof. So I'm sure you have probably seen them before, and now it helps you to understand what that word means. Number 6, what two parts of speech can the word shield be? So you find the word shield up here at the top. Okay, first it can be a noun. What else can it be? Keep reading. Okay, it can also be a verb. If you shield someone, to protect or cover someone. So it says Kayla wore a straw hat to shield her head from the hot sun. Okay, so those are just some simple things to help you get familiar with a dictionary. What are the guide words on this page? Can you find the guide words? She's and ship are the guide words. So she's is the very first word, and ship is the very last word. This is using it as a suffix. That's why it has that hyphen there first. Okay, so even in my dictionary here, you can see there's different pictures. Oh, that's patio. Okay. We have some peas. So there's a lot of things peace, and it gives us some Bible verses on peace. So depending on your dictionary, it will have a lot of different extra information in there for you. And it's just a good tool, and the better you know how to use it, the easier it will be for you if you need to look things up.